Hello everybody, and today we are going to play Flappy Golf 2. I actually don't know what this game is, but I think it looks nice, looks cool, so we're gonna play it. I just found this on the App Store, and I was just looking around and I found this on the App Store. What's this? Customize balls trail. Oh, this is cool, so you can get like different. Oh, this is cool, so you can get like different streaks and stuff. Toast, cookie, these are funny. Alright, single player. Alright. Course select. Here, let's do golf lanes, so that's the only one we have. Here, how do we do this? Come on, flat. Yes! Alright, I got a gold star. I don't know if that means anything, but alright. Alright. No. Alright. We still got a gold star. Alright. Oh, come on. You have to like build your speed up. No, yes, alright. We got a bronze star, but still, that was hard. Alright. Ooh, there's eggs we can get. Alright, just get in. Alright, I got nothing that time, but alright. Should I just flop as many times? I'm gonna see what happens if I try to flop as many times as I can. Oh my gosh, we're reaching the stars. Oh my god, we're in the stars. Wow, we're far up. Now let's just drop. We're just gonna drop and see what happens. Oh, that was actually pretty cool. You might as well get this since we have 132 flaps. Alright. Oh, did you see that? Yeah, 137 flaps. Probably the worst amount I will ever get. Alright, yeah, 6. Alright, we can do this. Even a silver would be nice. Yes! Alright, we did it. Gold star, 6 flaps. Alright. Alright, we can do this. Alright. No, come on, alright. No, oh. Alright, yes, we can do this. No! Oh, come on, just... Oh my god. Right there. Alright. Oh my god, come on. Oh, come on, you're right there. Yay! We got a silver star. That's still not good. That's not bad. Alright, so we didn't get any of the stars here. We got bronze here, and then we get a silver here. Here, let's see if there's anything we can customize. Alright, oh, we have to, like, spend these. Alright. I'm interested in what these golden eggs are. I'm pretty... Probably did something. Alright. Wait, can you buy these? No. I'm assuming you have to buy these as, like, a special feature, but... Alright. Ball lottery. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, is that a Pac-Man? I have no idea how that's not copyrighted, but alright. Anyways. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so I'm assuming you can only buy them. Alright, here, I need to definitely redo this hole. Come on, you can do this. Yes, alright. We got a gold star that time. That's actually pretty good. Alright. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Yes! Alright, we got that gold star, baby. Alright. Alright. Come on, you can do that. Come on, come on. Oh, are you kidding me? It just stops right by the little flag thing. Alright, at least I got the silver star. Alright, we can do it. Oh, come on. Alright. We can do this. Alright, no we can't. We can do it. No we can't. Alright. Alright, we can do it. Alright, that works. Works. Alright. As long as we get a star on it. Alright. Yes, yes, get in. No! No! I'm actually loving this game. This is pretty good. Alright, 1 star there. Can we play any of these? I really want to play these. Alright. Rocky Land, Spin Land. Alright, oh, you can play all these, alright. Here, let's play Gravity Lab. This seems cool. Oh! The rules of gravity are like messed up. Here, we need to wait. Alright. Yes, we can do that. Ah, darn it, that was so close. Alright, we're gonna get a silver, but silver is good enough. Alright. Alright. Alright, here we go. I'm pretty sure the flag is over here. So, we just do this right. We'll get out of here. You know what? Alright, silver. So, we can still get silver. Alright, scratch that. No, we can't. But, we can get bronze. Alright. Alright. Am I allowed to get, like, anything in the hole? That's my question. I mean, like, the water hole. No, no, that's not what I wanted. Here, can I restart this? Alright, alright. Here. So what we have to do is we have to go over this. And then, oh no! Alright, alright. But we need to go over this. Oh, now I know what you need to do. No! Alright. Now I know what you need to do. We need to, here. We need to go over here. Here. Alright. Here. So we need to go over here so that it drops. And then we need to go over here and then get it to roll in here. Yes! Alright, silver star. Good enough. Alright. This music is like cool. Just take a bit to listen to it for a sec. Don't you think this music is cool? I like this music. Alright. Alright, here we go. Boom! 6 flats, baby. Gold star. Alright. Alright, here we go. So this should be good. Yes, gold! Alright, gold star. Alright. Alright, we need to go up here if I am correct. Then we need to go here. No! Alright, we need to restart this hole. Alright, you know what? This isn't gonna do it. Alright. Here, so what I need to do is make the most out of all the... Alright, 13 flat. Darn it. Wait, darn it. Alright, here, retry this one. This one's gonna take a while. I'm gonna try one more time on this. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, finally. Bronze star, I don't care. Alright. Alright, here we go. So we need to get up. And then... Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna make the best out of this. Alright, so we need to... No! Why? It was so close to a silver. Alright, you know what? I'm just happy I even did. Whoa. Well, alright, I'm not gonna do very good in this one. Alright. Well, that's one way to do it, but that's not the right way. Alright, here, retry. That was horrible. Alright. Alright, I have a feeling we need to go around this. And then use this. Alright. Then use this to go up here. And then alright. And then go in here. Alright, this is the last flap. Oh, darn it. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time. Alright. Let's see. Alright, we can do this. And I know it. Alright. Look, this is my last one. Yes! Oh my god, did you guys see that? It was like... Alright, guys. Alright. Alright. We got one of those egg things. Oh, come on! Alright, there we go. Oh no, but we're not gonna get the star. Alright, so what I think we need to do is go over here when it's in like the mode that is like, alright, I'll take you wherever you want. Alright, here we go. Oh no, 24 flats. 24 flats. I know, I'll be back after I finish this hole. Alright, I am back. And I actually ended up getting a silver star on that one. So, oh my god, that took quite a while, but I got a silver star, so that's good. Oh, we finished the entire level. No wonder that was so hard, this last one. Oh, this looks lit. Oh my god, I can't even go. My leg was like stuck in the desk. Like, I don't know, that's like where I am right now. It's not like really a desk, but yeah, I don't know. I think you guys know what I mean. Alright. I actually might have to make another part. I'm not kidding. I actually might have to make another part for this. Because this game is pretty good. I feel like this could be like a 2 or 3 parter. Oh, 3 flaps. I actually did pretty good on that one. Oh wow, this portal one is pretty easy. Oh my god. Can I do this in 1 flap? Alright, I can. But still. Alright, can I do it in silver? Alright, never mind. There we go. Well, we got it in silver. Alright. Oh, that's a water hazard. Oh, you... Alright, we have to get inside the, orange one. No! Alright. Let's redo that. Oh man, this music is lit. Developers, credit those developers. Jeez. Alright. Boom, alright. Silver, baby. Boom. Wait, which one should we go in? Should we go in the green? Okay, let's see what happens if we go in the green. Alright. Well, this isn't gonna make us win, so let's restart that. Alright, yeah, let's strategize a bit more. Oh, can we actually do this in 4 flaps? Alright, can we do it in 5? Yes, we can. Armor Thomas train engine. That's what we kind of sound like, yeah. Alright, I need to get in the blue, and then, alright, there we go. Boom! Less than one of the requirements. I thought I was gonna fail pretty bad on that. Well, alright, here we go. Here. Here, we need to get in the green. Alright, here we go. Can we do this? Yes, we can. We got a bronze. That's really bad. But whatever. Alright, here. So I want to get this one. No! Alright, yeah, let's restart that. So let's get the blue one, see what happens. Boom! We did good. Alright. Alright. Boom. Oh, you know what I should have done? Alright, here. So now I see what I need to do. I need to time it so the little thing does like it. But, well, that wasn't good. Alright, I know I need to like wait until it moves a bit. Nope. Well, that didn't work. Alright. So I need to move into it. Well, alright, that didn't work. I like this music. It's like really upbeat. I just like it. Like, can I actually go back in here? I want to see if I can go back in here. Alright, I just wanted to see if I can do that. Alright. Well, that didn't work. Here, I need to, like, time it. So, like, go around here. No! Alright. Alright, when it gets a bit. Alright. This is when I should do it. Yes! Oh my god! Hole in one! Hole in one! Hole in one, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we did pretty good on that one. Alright. Here, let's see if we can do anything. No, we can't. Alright. Well, that was pretty fun. Wait, what's race mode? Oh, alright. Alright. Oh, this is cool. Alright. Player determined by... Alright, play now. Why not? Alright, guys. So, we're gonna do a multiplayer game, because I feel like it. Alright. Alright. Alright, well, we're not doing that. Alright, play against a nearby. Here, enter. Alright. Alright, gonna go search for some games. Alright. Nope. Alright. So anyway, I actually alright. So you guys alright. So I think this is pretty good so far. So yeah. So alright. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, your code. Oh, this is cool. Alright. Gold eggs can buy crazy balls. Alright, your F1757. 7, 2. Alright. Code cannot be found. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do that again. Alright, daily. Here, when I didn't want to race now. Oh, alright. I don't know what this is, but alright, we're not ended yet. Yes! Oh my gosh, we won, guys. We won, guys. That was so cool. Alright, guys, so without further ado, I think I'm gonna end this episode here. So yeah, whoever wants to take this code, you can take it. Why not? So whoever wants, get 10 of your friends to redeem your code to 100 golden eggs. Alright, so you guys can take this code. I don't mind. I don't know what it is. 10 golden eggs. Alright, so you guys can take this code. But yeah. Alright, guys. So yeah. Sorry, I just had to cut out a little part at the end that I didn't want, but so I have to add this part. But yeah, guys, so yeah, goodbye. And yeah, so please subscribe if you haven't. Be a loyal fan and watch all my videos when they come out, and leave a nice comment and leave some review. And like some good review, ways my channel can improve, maybe, because just like suggestions maybe for game, because honestly this channel is for you guys, and I'd much rather have you guys choosing the game than I do, because then I know at least like a couple of you are gonna want a video and are gonna be anticipated for it. So yeah, just like this video if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't, and just do all the lit stuff. And yeah, and also share my channel with your friends. So yeah, alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!